This short video will give you an idea about the One Step story and how it came about. Prashant, the founder of One Step, got a fairly bad episode of COVID in March 2021 and had to be hospitalized. The steroids that he was given in the COVID hospital gave him high blood sugar and high blood pressure since he is what they call a steroid responder. He had to start taking medicines to control his blood glucose and blood pressure. But he hated it and wanted to get off those medicines. So, he did an incredible amount of research in 2023. He saw 500 plus YouTube videos and read 12 books. That's when he stumbled onto the huge body of literature that exists out there on metabolic syndrome. He figured out that carbohydrate restriction and strength training would do the trick for him. He made the necessary changes to his diet and lifestyle and was able to completely transform his health. This is how Prashant looked before his transformation. And this is how he looks now, leaner and a lot fitter. Prashant compiled all his research into a book titled My Health, My Responsibility: 15 Steps to Take Control of Your Health. Here are the 15 steps, arranged from the most impactful to the least impactful ones. In April 2024, he started Claris Health along with Dr. Rashmi Sankhepatil. Their mission was to help people reverse the metabolic conditions that they were suffering from. They got multiple clients who they coached over 3 to 6 months. The ones who were able to make the necessary changes got terrific results. All others didn't at all, or not as much. Prashant had 3 big learnings from that experience. 1. It is not easy for people to make the necessary changes to diet and lifestyle. 2. That's the problem that needs to be solved. And 3. It makes a lot of sense to turn the MHMR approach on its head and start with something easy, get some wins under the belt, build some confidence, and then attempt to make more difficult changes. That's how Prashant came up with the one-step approach. Most of the steps in MHMR had to do with the physical health. He chose to call that pillar Strengthen the Body. But he realized that mental health plays a huge part in overall health and well-being. So, he came up with that pillar and called it Strengthen the Mind. Lastly, when he asked himself the question, which pillar do activities like improving body hydration or stress management fall under, the answer that came back was both. That's why he had to create another pillar called Build a Solid Foundation. And that's how we got the 3 pillars of the one-step approach. In version 1.0, you can do 8 of these DIY activities. We will implement more activities in the coming weeks and months. One Step's mission is to make a positive impact in the lives of 1 million people by the end of 2027. We look forward to your support and help in making that happen. Once we achieve it, we will set an even loftier goal for ourselves. One Step is created by Prashant Karhade in partnership with Corico Technologies. Prashant is an electrical engineer from IIT Bombay. He is passionate about technology and has been a techie all his life. He got interested in all things medical when at age 12 a 15-year-old friend of his was diagnosed with a deadly leukemia and died within 45 days of his diagnosis. His passion for writing storytelling started with the birth of his elder daughter. And around the same time, he was bit by the entrepreneurship bug as well. One Step allows him to touch all these 4 dimensions, which makes it an absolute dream job for him. Corico Technologies is a digital transformation company based in Pune. They have expertise in 5D services, deep tech, data management, development, DevOps and testing, and digital consulting. They are extremely passionate about using their expertise to develop products like One Step. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for your attention.